Hey, what's up guys, my name is Bilal and welcome back to another brand new video. As always, it's an epic one. In my previous video, I will talk about OnePlus Concept One, which is totally a big leak. But in today's video, we will talk about OnePlus Concept One on hands. Yes guys, finally OnePlus Concept One launched the Concept One model, which is pretty awesome with electrochromic glass. OnePlus used the same glass which is used in McLaren car, which is looking great. This glass is called electrochromic glass, which can hide the camera completely and it will appear only when you use the camera. 2020 OnePlus Concept One is such a great concept. OnePlus introduced Concept One with huggy changes, like the frame of this phone is made of aluminium with gold finish, which is looking great with full screen display and pop-up camera. So since now this is a only feature which is just launched in OnePlus. So guys, as always, I need your thought in comment section. So support me by subscribing. See you next video. Take care. Bye.